welcome back to my channel. Today I am going on a trip to Gergeti National Park, which is a national park here in Georgia. We're going to be hiking up to Gergeti Glacier, which I'm really excited about. And so we're leaving at around like 8 o'clock, which is in 15 minutes. Yeah, we're just going to go, and it's about a 3-hour drive to Stepansminda, which is the town that we'll be staying in. But we're gonna stop along the way and look at some cool stuff in Georgia. So it's probably gonna take longer than 3 hours. So I'm really excited. We've been driving for about an hour, and now we're at this fortress, and it's really cool. There's a reservoir over that way, and yeah, it's just really cool. So now we're probably just gonna drive again, and I don't know when we'll stop next. So we drove a bit more, and now we're at this really scenic spot. There are a lot of mountains, and they're like really rugged and beautiful, and yeah. So we're just gonna keep driving. We actually drove past Stepansminda, but that's because we came to this really cool spot, and you can see like all down the valley that way. So we're probably gonna drive back now. So we had something to eat at a restaurant, and it was really good. And now we're just up here at this like, I mean, you can see over there and stuff at the church and just like the town in general. So yeah, we're just hanging out with the cows, and now we're just gonna probably walk around a bit and then go to our apartment. We're at our guest house now. It is 5 o'clock. And we picked up some food at the grocery store, so we're not going to have like too big of a dinner because we just had that big lunch-ish thing at 3. So yeah, we're just going to hang out, read, enjoy the view, and we aren't really going to be doing anything interesting today, so it's probably going to be my last vlog thing for the day, so I will see you tomorrow. Today is our second day, it is Tuesday, and we've already had breakfast because we had breakfast at like 7. We have started on the hike, and it's really pretty. We've seen some cows, there's a river or creek thing over behind me, and it's really loud. And so we're just going up there, I guess. So yeah, we've got a ways to go yet. We only just started, so we have to keep going. It's been about an hour since we started, and we're already at the church, and it's really scenic. And You can kind of see Gergeti Mountain back there, but it's really hard because it's mostly surrounded in clouds. But the glacier is that way, so we're just gonna keep going that way. It's around 10:30 now, and we've stopped for a snack because we've been hiking a lot and it's getting really exhausting, and it's a lot hotter than we thought it would be. We thought it would be like rainy, kind of. Well, it's supposed to rain later today, so we brought umbrellas and coats. Just eating some food. We have some cheese that the owner of our guest house made herself. So it's really good. So, I've been hiking for quite a while. I haven't really stopped that much because I'm just trying to get up there because it's close. Well, not super close, but we're getting somewhere because like we started way down there. So, yeah, and also I have to get up there because it might rain later because it looks kind of dark over there. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes since I recorded the last update, and I may jinxed it because I just felt the first couple of raindrops, so fingers crossed it won't keep raining, but I don't know, things aren't really looking super great up there. So my family finally caught up, and we all had some food, and now we've come up a bit higher, and unfortunately it looks like it's gonna rain, and I can already feel drops, and it just looks dark over there, so we aren't gonna be going to the glacier anymore because unfortunately the weather forecast calls for a thunderstorm, and we do not want to be stuck in a thunderstorm out on top of a very exposed open mountain, so we're just gonna call it and head back down. So we're back at our guest house, and it's just past 4, I think, and so we're probably gonna go have dinner. Yeah, I'm really hungry because we haven't really had a whole lot to eat all day. We're on our very last day of our trip to Minda, and so today we've decided to go just a short hike because after yesterday we're kind of tired. So today we're going to be hiking up to a waterfall. So we've already gotten a taxi to take us out to this waterfall, and we're like at the trailhead now, and so we're just gonna go find the waterfall. We're almost back down at the bottom. The waterfall hike didn't really take that long. It was only about, I don't know, 20 minutes to get up to the waterfall, and it's been probably about 10-15 minutes since I started heading back. So we're almost there, and then we're just gonna drive back to Minda, and then we're probably just gonna hang out there for a bit and wait until our driver comes, and we're gonna drive back to Tbilisi. back to Tbilisi. The drive back took about 3.5 hours, but overall I had a lot of fun on this trip and it was super awesome. And I'm super glad that we got to go hiking, even if we didn't get to go all the way to the glacier. So I really enjoyed this trip a lot. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and also subscribe down below. And don't forget to click the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye!